Okay, got this GMC Yukon here, and you already know the story if you looked at the the parts that I put up. But I took this vehicle for a ride, 5 miles, came back 5 miles, that's 10 miles. Then I let it sit for about half hour idling. There's no ABS lights or nothing that came on. And I took it back 5 miles and came back 5 miles, and I still have it running. Still no ABS light came on. And here I still can go get into a computer, any module here that let me get in. Let me see, trouble codes, read codes. I can still get in the module, so that means that suspension module was the whole cause. See, I can get in and there's no fault codes.